Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I just want to start off by saying thank you for watching all the videos I've posted. I really appreciate every single one of you guys, especially the ones that have commented, and really appreciated the videos that I've posted, including the throttle body one. That one got quite a bit of views, and I really appreciate every single one of you that have liked and commented. So please keep it up, please subscribe, comment, like, all of that jazz. Today I've got another quick how-to. This is about the E36 exhaust. So if you have ever seen your flanges, these things here, this is right behind the cat, before the muffler of your exhaust. These things rust. Even mine's pretty rusty, but it's still solid, so I'm gonna grind this down and clean it up. But some of you guys will notice that they rust to the point where they just shatter, like they literally just crumble in your hands, they'll fall apart. So in that case, because our exhaust, and this is just the tail section, these things come with rolled lips, so you can only have the actual flanges mounted before the lip is rolled. So you'll have to go to the exhaust shop and get that done, or your other option is to cut this off. So rather than wasting time, or in our case right now, because we're dealing with the pandemic, obviously advised not to go outside. So rather than to go through that hassle and all that work, I've laid out everything that generally is required for the E36 exhaust. So I even got like a cutaway from the tail section right behind the cat. I've got some pipes to mimic that, because it'd be much harder to show you under the car itself. So I decided, let's do it right here. So in the event that this shattered, and you can't get it on anymore, because even if you bought a new one, you can't stick it on because you've got a rolled lip here. One of your tailpipes, the ones that are right after the cat itself, will be like this, where you have a rolled lip, so exactly like what it is of the actual tail section of your exhaust. But the other one will be like that, where it's not rolled. So this part will actually just go straight in, right? And then you'll have a section, or you'll have an exhaust gasket like this, which needs to be slipped on. So let me see if I could do this with one hand. Whoa, I'm about to drop my camera. So now that I got it set up, so you'll have the one side of the exhaust, or one pipe of the exhaust, that actually slips right in, so it actually goes into the tail section. The other side is a rolled lip with the flange already installed, and that goes in like that. For this side, no problem. If your flange even breaks, it doesn't matter, because you can buy another one, the original ones, and they can just simply slip on like that, and with some persuasion obviously, because mine's a little rusty, but like that, and then you're able to put it on. And don't forget your gaskets here. So again, you have two sizes of gaskets, one smaller, one is for the side that's open and it slips on, and then it meets the tail section. So you'll have this on, actually you'll have your flange on first, this part, then your actual gasket, and then it meets like that. The other side, this is the critical side, because if this flange fails, this actually will go up to the cat, so you can't do anything about this side. You can't slip on another one of these flanges because they're closed. So if that happens, you're sort of stuck. But I got something to save you. You buy these. This here is a split flange, so you'll see it actually opens up. This here is a lifesaver. So in the event that your flange on the side that has a rolled lip fails, now don't mind this is actually just a spare, but it's just for demonstration. If this fails, and this breaks off, what I can do to get around it is buy one of these. That way I don't have to cut this lip off. I can actually just slip this on like so. For demonstration, I'm doing it on this side, but I'll slip it on like that, and then pass my bolts right through, and here we go. So now you have a flange, and you pass your screw through, bolt it up, you're good to go. For demonstration, I'll show you what I mean. You'll have something like this, so you'll have your screw, your gasket, flange, and I'll just pass it through all the way like that. Okay, and take your bolt and tighten her up. So this here Walker flange. I'll tell you the part number. It is 31884. This here is a lifesaver. This is specifically, they come different sizes obviously, and it's variable sizing. So this one here can do anything between 1.75 to 2-inch exhaust. Obviously that's the diameter. Make sure you measure yours on the E36 with the twin pipe. I think our outer diameter between this here is about 1.75 to 2 inches, so I just bought that exact size. The 31884 will fit perfectly. It comes with screws, comes with new bolts. Honestly, I think the quality of this piece is really good. Like, it's very strong, it's very sturdy, it doesn't flex at all. It's great. Like, it saves you from having to cut this off. It saves you from the time of going to the exhaust shop and having them do it for you. You can do it at home. So this right here will save your life. Go ahead and purchase this. There's a bunch of parts stores locally that in your area, they'll definitely have it. If they don't, hit up Amazon, they have it for sure. But always support local, give it a shot, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks.